it's Leah, and today I want to show you how to change a PDF into a JPEG. So I know I was having a couple of issues with trying to get actually to alter or change a PDF to add my images and make sure that I could print them on front and back. So one of the things I want to show you today is I did go ahead and add these pages right in here, so made it simple and easy. All you have to do is use Canva. So if you use Canva, at the top of the page we have canva.com. All you have to do is create flyers. So here you could click on the flyer section. And now in Canva, the only thing that you can do is add an image. So that's going to be a JPEG, a PNG, or a GIF. So if you have it in the PDF format, unfortunately, you would not be able to do that. So one of the things I found out after doing some research is I had this in Yahoo. Right here is a PDF to JPEG online converter. So all you have to do is click on that. It'll come to this page. This page is overwhelming and crazy, but that's probably how they keep it free. So one of the things you want to do, let me go back to the beginning. So you'll see PDF to JPEG in the lower left-hand corner. When you click on that, it'll actually, when you open up the page, it'll come to this, but you will need that after you add another one. So you can read all this information, but kind of ignore all the ads that are in here. Click Choose PDF File. You'll go and pick your PDF. So let's see if I even have one. Yep, that's a PDF. So let's see here. I'll go with my cover letter here. So we'll go ahead and select that. Now to select it, say Convert to PDF to JPEG. Click on that button. It looks crazy. And there's so much stuff on this page, so let it run. Once it's done, it'll switch to the next page. So it automatically comes to this page. Once you're at this page, I was like, oh, what is all this? So make sure, don't click on any of these sponsored ads here unless you want to. But here you can view the information that you added in there. So there's my PDF page. Here I can download. So it'll fall to your download section. Mine falls to the lower left-hand corner. So right here in the lower corner, and now you can see it's changed to a JPEG. Here I can also view my second page. So here's the second page that was added to that. Then I could download that page also. Once you have those downloaded and saved, you're going to jump back over to Canva. Now you have this flyer page, and all you have to do is go to the far left-hand side. It'll say Uploads. Select Upload. Here you want to select Upload an Image. You'll want to go where those downloads are. Now I know that that's there. I will take this page and I will add it right here. Now go ahead and make it as big as you'd like. And right there, it's ready. Here in the lower right, it'll say it's only at 59%. So if you want to make sure that that was the full page, just go ahead and select on it. And all you have to do is that. Now, if you want to add another page so that you can print this front and back, all you have to do, I'm going to delete my second one, but now I'm going to add my other page. So sometimes going back to that 50% just makes you be able to see the full page and making sure that you fill it. Now all you have to do is save that. You can download this and then select print. And when you select print on your printer, that will allow you to go ahead and select those to be able to print. And let me see here. So I'm doing front and back on this one, so I did go ahead and download that one. Let's see if I can find it in my lower corner here. All right, so I did have that in there. That's the wrong one. So let me jump to see where I saved this, and then that way I can show you. You'll just click print on your printer and it'll do front and back. If you need any help, please let me know. I'll be able to assist you with the process, but right here will allow you to change a PDF into a JPEG and be able to alter, change whatever images you want in there, and then also print them front and back. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and click on the bell, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.